Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Sajid. This is my fourth lecture. We started with parts of speech, and this fourth part of speech is adjective. Adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. The distinct feature of adjective is that it adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Let's see and identify how adjective adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun from these 10 given examples. The three of these sentences are in sentence form, however, the rest are in phrase form. The first example is he is weak. Now, weak adds to the meaning of the pronoun he. You are strong. The word strong adds to the meaning of the pronoun you. We are happy. The word happy illustrates or describes the condition of the pronoun we. So these words weak, strong, we add to the meaning of the pronouns used in these sentences. They are adjectives. The fourth sentence is the near bank. Bank is a noun, and near, the word near adds to the meaning of the noun bank. This is adjective. A nice boy. Boy is a noun, and nice adds to the meaning of the noun boy. So a neighboring country. Country is noun, and the word neighboring adds to the meaning of the noun country. Neighboring is adjective used in this sentence. Elder brother. Brother is noun, and elder adds to the meaning of the noun brother. So a small child. Small adds to the meaning of the noun child. A tall girl. The word tall adds to the meaning of the girl, a noun girl. A beautiful bird. The word beautiful adds to the meaning of the noun bird. So some of these adjectives used in these examples add to the meanings of the pronouns, and some of them add to the meaning of the nouns. They are adjectives. The purpose of these examples collected here is to enable you students to identify and understand adjectives from sentences, so that you may be able to attempt exercises from examination point of view later on. There are different kinds of adjectives. The first are demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is used to point to people and things. These are for this, that, these, those. This is my book. That is his house. These are very expensive cars. Those were happy days for him. There are four demonstrative adjectives, and here we have also gone through the four examples given below. These four demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. Then follow the distributive adjectives. Distributive adjective is used to refer to each and every person. Distributive adjective is used to refer to each and every person. These are each, every, either, neither. The examples are each boy will get a book. Each adds to the meaning of the noun boy. He used to call me every day. Every adds to the meaning of the noun day. Neither of you nor neither adds to the meaning of the pronoun you. Either you do it or I will. Either adds to the meaning of the pronouns used in this sentence, you and I. So these are distributive sentences which are used to refer to each and every person. The third kind is those of quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjective describes the exact or approximate amount of a noun. Quantitative adjective describes the exact or approximate amount of a noun. These are the following. These are quantitative adjectives collected here. Some, any, no, little, few, many, much, one, 20. The examples are: he has 10 books, 10 is adjective. Little water, little is adjective in the second sentence. A few people, few is adjective in the third sentence. I do not have any books, any is adjective which is adding to the noun books. She roasted some chicken for dinner. Some is adding to the noun chicken, this is adjective. He has many friends. Many is adjective which is adding to the noun friends. Most people are only interested to gather money in life. Most is adding to the noun plural, so this is adjective. These are quantitative adjectives used in these examples given below, the quantitative adjectives. Afterwards follow the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective gives interrogative sense. These are the following: which, what, whose. Which, what, whose, they are interrogative adjectives, and their examples follow as: which book is yours? It is yours. Whose books are these? What task is yours? Which adds to the meaning of the noun book. Whose adds to the meaning of the noun books. And what adds to the meaning of the noun task. Afterwards follows possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show a form of possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. These are some possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, are, their. And your, yours, her, hers, are, ours, their, theirs, they are also possessive cases. While possessive adjectives show possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. These are its some examples. This house is theirs. The books are yours and mine. We have what is ours. My computer is not working fast. Our father advised us not to waste time. Your cycle was stolen. His performance was good. Her thoughts are complex. I had his book. So the possessive cases used in these examples are theirs, yours, mine, ours, my, our, your, his, and so her, and lastly his, adding to the noun book. Afterwards follow qualitative adjectives. Qualitative adjective is used to describe features or qualities of a noun. These nouns may signify a place, a person, or a thing, or an idea, and so forth. They are gradable with positive. These qualitative adjectives are gradable with their positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. The examples are here. 1. A fairly tall man. These are phrases given as examples. A fairly tall man. The adjective tall adds to the meaning of the noun man. A very boring film. Boring adds to the meaning of the noun film. A long holiday. Long adds to the meaning of the noun holiday. An expensive car. Expensive adds to the meaning of the noun car. And so these are also collected here as example to signify adjective, qualitative adjective. Clever, dry, fat, golden, good, heavy. The qualitative adjectives used here in these phrases as an example are tall, boring, long, expensive. The seventh and last kind of adjectives are present and past participles. We also form adjectives by making use of past participle form of verb and present participle form of verb. The first sentence is: the scene was horrifying. The Word horrifying adds to the meaning of the noun seen. This is present participle form used as an adjective. Might be pretty easy for you people to identify it because we have already gone through verbs. The work was tiring, so tiring is present participle used as an adjective here. This is a well written letter. Written adds to the meaning of the noun letter. This is past participle used as an adjective in this sentence. And it is a proved fact. Proved is past participle used as an adjective in this sentence, adding to the meaning of the noun fact. This is a settled deal. Settled deal is past participle form used as an adjective in this sentence, adding to the meaning of the noun deal. Afterwards follow their degrees. Degrees of adjective. There are some adjectives and particularly qualitative adjectives which fall into different degrees. The first degree is positive degree, second degree is comparative degree, used to compare two things or compare things or persons or people, and the superlative degree indicates the highest degree of quality found in any person or in anything. Cold, colder, coldest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Fast, faster, fastest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. This is one pattern of forming degrees of adjectives in which we make use of er with comparative degree and est with superlative degree. Afterwards follow happy, happier, happiest, friendly, friendlier, friendliest, busy, busier, busiest, hungry, hungrier, hungriest. This is another pattern of forming comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives by making use of IER with comparative degree and IEST with superlative degree of the adjective. Afterwards follow many, more, most, bad, worse, worst. The degrees of these adjectives follow a bit different pattern because the first degree of the adjective many is different, second more different, and most different. So bad, worse, worst, these three degrees are somewhat these three degrees follow somewhat different pattern to develop their comparative and superlative degrees. Well, afterwards there is good, better, best. The comparative degree of the adjective good is good, while its comparative degree better is different in form and spelling. So is the best superlative degree. Well, little, less, least. Little is different, less is different, and least superlative degree is different. There are some adjectives which follow this pattern to develop their comparative and superlative degrees. Lastly, these are different adjectives where we make use of more and most to develop their comparative and superlative degrees. The adjective is expansive, its comparative degree is more expansive, and its superlative degree most expansive. Popular, more popular, and most popular. Generous, more generous, and most generous. These are different adjectives where we make use of more and most to develop their comparative and superlative degrees. Well, let me remind you of some important features of adjective. Adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. There are different kinds of adjective. The first, demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those. Distributive adjectives, second, each, every, either, neither. And quantitative adjectives, some, any, no, little, few, many, much, one, 20. Then follow interrogative adjectives. These are which, what, whose. Then follow possessive adjectives: my, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, their, and theirs. Afterwards follow qualitative adjectives. They are They show, describe, feature, or qualities of a noun. They are very often they very often follow their they very often form their degrees, comparative degrees and superlative degrees. Afterwards follow present participle form of verb and past participle form of verb, which are also used as an adjective. Thank you. If there are any questions, most welcome. We inshallah soon will get on with the next lecture. I hope you are doing well. Thank you. God bless you, dear students.